Okay guys, so today we are looking at how to outline a paragraph. Your paragraph outline is due tomorrow, and so this can kind of help you if you get stuck when you're at home. So the first thing you're going to do, whether you are writing it on a computer or whether you are writing it by hand, is you're going to do your heading at the top. So English, your name, the date, and paragraph outline is the name of this assignment. Then you're going to skip a few lines, center your text, and write your title. This can be a working title for right now. It does not have to be your final title. So here is an example. Okay, then you're going to skip 2 more lines and left a line. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to write what you are going to put for your topic sentence. That is going to be the first sentence of your paragraph for right now. So you're going to write the Roman numeral 1, which is the same as the capital letter I. Put a period, put a space. It may indent it for you, that is okay if it does that. And write your topic sentence. Broccoli is the best food because it has so many vitamins and minerals. Okay, so there is your topic sentence. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to press your return key or your enter key, skip down, and your program may do this right here. That's okay. If it does that, then press the backspace key to delete that and just leave your cursor where it is. Now you're going to write a capital letter A, put a period, put a space, and you're going to write your first fact. This is a fact that I have made up for the example. Notice how I've put in the source and I've put in the citation right there, so I know exactly what I'm going to write. So that's the whole point of writing an outline. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to again skip a line and tab so that you are lined up with that second line there. So again, press the backspace key. Now the thing with outlines is you alternate numbers and letters. So up here we had a Roman numeral, here we had a letter, here we're going to have another numeral, but it's going to be your normal Arabic numeral, your normal number 1. And this is where you're going to put your commentary. You should have at least 2 pieces of commentary, 2 sentences of commentary for each fact that you give. So here is mine. Notice how I have 2 very short sentences. They are my opinion and they show why this is important. If I wanted to make my commentary better, I could change this first sentence to say something like this. Okay, now it's time to go back and do your next fact. So you're going to hit your enter button. You're going to press backspace once, twice, and then it will probably bump you all the way over here, but you want to be lined up with this A here. So you're going to press your tab button, and it probably won't work for you. You may have to go up here and adjust some of the tab stops where they are. Obviously, if you are writing in handwriting, then you are just going to line these up, okay? All of your A's and B's have to be lined up, all of your 1s and 2s and 3s have to be lined up, all of your Roman numerals must also be lined up. So now you're going to give your next fact, and if there's a citation, you're going to give a citation for that, a source for it. So here is my next fact. Notice that for this fact, this was from a website, and so I don't necessarily have an author or a page number, so I just put the title of the website in quotation marks in the parentheses. Now again, I need to give my commentary for this fact, so I'm going to press the enter button and the backspace key, and then I'm going to put a 1 here, a number 1, because I have started a whole new fact here, and so I'm not going to continue this list from up here. I start a whole new list of commentary here. And you can see that I go back to edit my outline as I go. That is fine that I do that. Now it's time for my third and my last fact. This should be my most important fact. So again, I'm going to press enter. I'm going to press the backspace key. If it doesn't line up, I'm going to press it again and again until it lines up. I can try hitting the tab button, but that's not working for me. So I'm going to come up here. I'm going to drag that across so that it lines up. That line should line up with the A and the B. Now I'm going to put a capital letter C. And my final fact. I'm going to press enter, backspace, number 1 for my commentary. Oops. Okay, when I'm done with my commentary for my third fact, then I am going to stop writing facts. I'm not going to continue because this is only one paragraph. I'm not going to elaborate on this any further. So now I need to write my concluding sentence. Remember that my concluding sentence comes back, restates my beginning sentence, and also includes a call to action. So I'm going to press enter, backspace, backspace, backspace. And now I want to line up with that number I there, or number 1, Roman numeral 1. So I'm going to bring this, drag it across, and put a Roman numeral 2, which is just capital I, period. Then I'm going to put my concluding sentence. Only one sentence per outline point at this point in time. So if I want to include a call to action, I need to press enter again, and the Roman numeral 3. Numeral 3. And then I'm done. So this is my outline. First I wrote my title, then my Roman numeral 1, my facts, A, B, and C, and my commentary, 1, 2, and 3, then my concluding sentence, and my call to action.